Shot one, take one.
Okay, my name is Surtini and I'm 73 years old. Of course, my generation, we are not exposed to healthy food. So what we cook is, like, as long as it is nice. I also prepare for them some snacks in the evening. For the snack, normally I prepare like goreng pisang, french fries. How to make it healthier is another thing. Among this food, which one you like?
This one.
Oh, but do you know that it's not healthy?
Yeah,
Then why you like it?
because it's nice.
Okay, how to make it healthy?
Each day you eat quarter of it.
How about the chicken? How to make it healthier?
Don't put too much oil.
Meal prepping at home is a great opportunity to better craft a nutritious meal for our children. Switching cooking method and using healthier alternative is an easy way to create a nutritious meal. Try grilling, a healthy and low-fat cooking method. So nice. Swap flavored ice cream with low-fat yogurt with fruit like berries and grapes.
Actually, not bad.
Try sliced apples instead of potato chips. Very crunchy, right? Replace French fries with steamed corn. Yummy.
Got your write down.
Healthy meals time together as a family are important because they are not just provide the right amount of nutrients to enable the children to grow up healthy, they also allow for bonding as a family. Okay, I learned a lot today, especially how to convert unhealthy food into healthy food. For example, like rather than fried chicken, we do grilled chicken, which is also very yummy, and I'm sure they will like it. This one you eat with
Apple.
apple. It will be very yummy.